Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. Things are moving pretty fast with respect to immigration policy here in Thailand. Things are changing at a pretty rapid clip. We're also looking at, in fact, Songkran, Thai New Year is upon us here in the middle of April of 2022, and a lot going on. The reason for this video, I was reading a recent article from the Bangkok Post. It's bangkokpost.com. Article is titled, "Entry to be Easier from May." I urge those who are watching this video, go check that article out. A lot of information going on in there. But quoting directly, speaking after a meeting for the Center for COVID-19 Situation Administration, CCSA, Deputy Public Health Minister Satit Pitutecha said the meeting agreed in principle with the switch proposed by the Public Health Ministry. And what switch is that? Quoting further, foreign visitors flying into the country will take antigen tests upon arrival instead of RT-PCR, Mr. Satit said, adding that more airport personnel will be deployed to make sure the procedure goes smoothly and takes minimal time. So upon arrival, it now appears that rather than doing an RT-PCR test, we are going to be looking at a situation where you're taking an antigen test and the ATK test, so-called. So this is pretty fundamental change. We've been dealing with RT-PCR testing going back into March 2020, since the inception of the emergency decree, and then in April, basically they locked everybody out, and it wasn't until, if I recall right, late April, early May of 2020 before they let anyone in, including Thai nationals, and those who did come in had to have RT-PCR tests. So at the time, and up until recently, one was required to get one before coming into Thailand, and then upon arrival in Thailand. The requirement that one gets such a test before traveling to Thailand has been scrapped. Now we are dealing with a situation where one has to deal with this after arrival, and even then it's no longer going to be an RT-PCR test, it's now going to be an antigen test. So again, pretty fundamental changes. We're going to keep you updated on this channel as best we can as the situation evolves.